You know. We ready. Sean, are you that? Me just away here say you're coming in place and everything good, man. You good? Yeah, man, me just up in a place, man. You know, me just a come and everything, man. Um, Flight did rough, but you don't know me there, man. Yeah, man, you're good, man. You're good. Yeah, man, out there, nice, man. But it's on hot, me I tell you. And I mean, they even have a hat fi put on for me head, you see me? And my hat size a 5 3/4 size, you know? It hot, man. Yeah, yeah. Well, when I get settled in, I go make a move and go look for some family and then, go up on the road and try to enjoy myself. Because I'm not there for long, I barely bring anything, you see me? One little bag me bring. Yeah, man. Yeah, me understand, man. Be niceness a go on in a Easter time, man. You man tell me say me nah no shot, Me nah no shot. And my shot size a medium, The shot size a medium. But me not have one right now. Alright, now say I would, man. Half of my job, man. Everything, man. I just thank the Lord for look up break. But just come out and come get some fresh air, man. Me even travel light, man, you see me? Yeah, me understand them thing the way I said. Them thing they were going on fire, man. Them thing they nice. I know say me nah no pant. But my pant size, me I tell you my pant size are 5 and 16/4 inch long, medium thing, we know really baggy thing, medium and thing. So all the work and everything, the family and them thing there go on. Yeah, I want tell us say I want make a one push, and go over say, But you see me don't even have a sneaker off a wear. We don't even have a sneaker to wear, so me don't even have a bother. I go just wait. And my size to a 10 and a half, Me not too fussy, 10 and a half. Me wear. Me could have go on an interview or something. But other than that, man, the place nice, man. I watch nothing, man. Anything you want, man, you just shout me out, man. And me did it. Yeah, man, I'm good, man. So me go in and get myself situated. But you're good, though, you're good. Alright, me just make sure say you're good. Yeah, man, I'm good, man. I'm good, man. Alright.